Hi, this is Harsh Navlakha presenting to you a great story written by Frederick Forsyth, The Black Aeroplane. Now, before reading about the story, let's have some facts about the author. Now, Frederick Forsyth is an English novelist and journalist. He's best known for his thrillers like The Day of the Jackal, The Devil's Alternative, and The Fist of God. Now, let's start with the story. The author was in a flight going from France to England. As he was going far from the Paris, so he thought I should call the Paris control soon for my way. He said, Paris control Dakota DS008 here. Can you hear me? The controller replied, DS008, I hear you. You ought to turn 12 degrees west now. Over. He checked the map and switched the tank to the second and last fuel tank. Everything was going well on the flight, but suddenly the author saw the storm clouds. He thought I ought to go back to the Paris, but he also thought I wanted the breakfast at home. So he thought I'll take the risk and flew into the storm. Inside the storm, everything gone suddenly black. The author was not able to see anything. The aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air round and round. He also looked at the compass. The author cannot believe the compass was also going round and round. He asked in the radio for help. Paris control, can you hear me? Then he found that the radio was dead. Suddenly he saw another aeroplane in the dark clouds. The pilot of another aeroplane signaled, you should follow me. Then the author thought, he's trying to help me. I should follow him. He turned his aeroplane to the south direction. He was very happy that he will be out of the disaster after following that another aeroplane. He followed him for half an hour and suddenly they came out of the clouds. The author said, I got the runway. But when he looked back to see the another aeroplane who helped him, he, the sky was empty. No one was there. He landed and walked to the old Dakota near the Paris control tower and asked the woman that who was the other pilot who was helping me? Who was the pilot of the another aeroplane? Can you tell me? Then the woman replied, another aeroplane? Up there in the storm, there was no another aeroplane flying tonight. Then the author thought, then who helped me to arrive safely without a compass or a radio? And without any more fuel tanks? Who was the pilot of the other black aeroplane flying in the storms? And here the story ends with a suspense only that who was the pilot of black aeroplane. And that's why the best title given to this story is the black aeroplane. Thanks.